show how to calculate 4 2/3 minus 1 3/4 in two different ways. Okay, so 4 2/3. My first way is I'm going to make improper fractions. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14/3, minus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7/4. And my common denominator is going to be 12ths, so I'm going to multiply this one times 4 over 4, and this one times 3 over 3. 14 times 4 is 56 over 12, minus 21 over 12. So 56 minus 20 would be 36, minus another 1 would be 35 over 12. And to change that to a mixed number, I know 12 times 3 is 36, so it's not quite 3, but it's 2 11/12. So 1/12 shy of 36, 2 11/12. Now, another way we could do this is to use grouping. So I'm going to write this as 4 2/3 minus 1 3/4, and I'm going to get a common denominator. So this one's going to be times 4 over 4 and 3 over 3. So this is going to become 4 8/12 minus 1 9/12. Now, when I try to subtract the fractions, 8/12 minus 9/12 can't do it, right? I don't have enough 12ths to be able to take 9 of them away. I only have 8 of them. So I'm going to borrow from the 4. Okay. But 1 whole is 12/12. So instead of 8/12, I'm now going to have 12 more. So I'm going to have 20/12. So I'm going to cross out that 8, and now I have 20/12. So 20 minus 9 is 11/12, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 11/12.